Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Life, and I am here with entry number 14, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's 14, y'all, so we are knocking on the door for the second drawing. This envelope, how cute is it, comes from Emily with, and I hope I get your YouTube name right, it's Jerseycgirl E. If I get it wrong, I do apologize, but again, I will have her link in the description box below. Y'all, she does not have enough subscribers for her channel, so y'all have got to go support her. Y'all know how this community is. You know you love to support each other, and if you are not connected to her and you have not subscribed to her channel, please go check her out. Show her the crafty love and the support that you show everyone else. She definitely is a friendly person. She is so sweet, and she's got some really cute stuff on her channel, and y'all definitely need to check her out. But definitely go give her some of that crafty love. And isn't this envelope cute? She's got this little cute little stickers, and it has the autumn blessings across. So cute. Now let's peek inside. Let's see what we got here. I don't know what I'm grabbing. Oh my goodness, so pretty and festive. Ooh, let me make sure I've got it all. Oh, there's a card. And this might just be something to stabilize. Yeah, that is a smart idea. I like that. I'm going to have to borrow that idea. Okay, let's see what we got here. Look. Let's see, make sure I open it. Isn't that cute? I love that bright yellow. And I think she may have made that or embossed it or something. I'm not embossed, but glittered it up. It's so cute. She says, Carmen, thank you for letting me join your challenge. Hope to swap in the future. Enjoy the tags. Again, thank you, Emily. No, honey, thank you for joining. I honestly feel so honored and blessed by each and every one. We'll take a look at her memory decks in just a minute. And she has wrapped these up so pretty. And you know what? I wanted some of this, and I never did get any. So, yay. How awesome is that? I think it is so beautiful. Love all that gold. And look at these tags. And it's another tag flip. How beautiful. And this is autumn themed or fall themed. Fall is in the air, and you know I love my glitters and my sparkles. And she's got a cute little raccoon right there, and she has layered up some dots with a little sequin leaf, and she's got this leaf in the background, and she's popped that up. That is so cute, and I love this layered flower. She's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. How cute is that? And that little center bride. That is so pretty. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, there's my cup of coffee. Take me away. Oh, yes, it does every morning. Autumn is my favorite color. Oh, I do too. I love it. I love it. And she's glittered all this up again. And she's put more of the larger leaf sequin. And she's layered that up with some more leaves. And she's got my cup of coffee. Well, I guess for y'all it might be tea or something else. But for me, that's a cup of coffee. Autumn memories. And look at the little squirrel holding its acorn hayride. I love it. And the little cute birdie and more leaves. And she put some little bling on that one. How cute and awesome. I love it. You're going to hear me say that about everyone. Autumn pumpkins, hay rides, fresh apples, and sweaters. And then autumn memories, and it's got the acorn, and it's got the leaf, the yellow leaf, and it's got some more bling. And she's put this beautiful brown and gold ribbon right there. And it's got leaves and acorns all over it. That is so pretty. Thank you, sweetheart. And look at all the ribbons. These are little bitties. They're so cute, and they're all fall. That says fall. all the great fall colors, and that one's a good striped one and polka dot. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Oh, and there's a star clip. Oh, I love that pumpkin. That is so neat. It's got that, it looks gold, and then it's got, you turn it, and it's like holographic. Oh, that is awesome. I love the little star clip. Thank you for that. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it looks like, oh, awesome. I love cutouts. So thankful. Y'all know I need my word embellishments. Organic pumpkin farm. That's so cute. I love the little truck. And the bicycle. Love it. It's got a little pumpkin inside. Is that not cute? Miniature pumpkins. My little granddaughter had her little, we didn't have her carve one. She's only one. So she had her little bitty baby pumpkin carrying it around all night while we were carving. It was so cute. Fall greetings. Got 2 of those. How awesome. Oh, and I love these. I don't think, I don't know if I might have one of these dies, and I have not used it yet. But I definitely don't have one this size. I love those papers. Yes. I don't know what I'm about to use these on, but I'm about to use these on something. I love them. Thank you so much. And look at this gorgeous memory decks. Hello, friend. And let's learn a little bit of something about Miss Emily. Her favorite color are pastel colors. Her favorite theme, butterflies, Disney, and pineapples. And she's got a birthday coming up in December on the 14th. Yay. And again, another month with a family member. It's my sister's month, except for she's December 31st. She's a New Year's Eve baby. And then we've got my turkey, my grandson, which is the 30th of December. I think my family kind of covers the calendar year. Somewhere along the line, I have a pretty good-sized family. She is here on YouTube as Jerseycgirl E. And I'm going to show you. And then she has an Instagram as Jerseycgirl Emily. Is it .Emily? I cannot tell. Y'all, I keep telling you, I need to wear my glasses. And it says, made especially for you by Jerseycgirl. I'm going to try to cover up a little bit of her YouTube name. I mean, not YouTube. Her, let's see if I can get that in there so y'all can see. How's that? Trying to cover up her email. Some people just don't want their emails out. So I want to make sure y'all get her name in case. And like I said, it will also be linked in the description box below. But look at this. She's got this pom-pom trim up at the top with the butterfly. And she's got, it looks like the LOL girl. And that says, hello, friend. And I love grays and pinks together. And, of course, you can't go wrong with this green. And then she's layered it up right here. And more pom-poms. I love it. I love it. Do you have a die? These seem awful perfect circles. So, I'm wondering if you have a die. Or you're just really good at punching circles. Because mine don't always work out that way. I need to get me a die so that I can just cut out a bunch. And not have to punch them every time and then forget. Sometimes I have forgotten. I've been afraid I was going to forget to punch the holes, and I did with Zuli C. Of course, you know, it was bound to happen eventually. But isn't that so pretty? I love it. I am so honored and blessed. Thank you so much. These are absolutely gorgeous. Y'all have to give her some kudos and leave her a comment down below. Let us know, because these are awesome. And I definitely cannot wait to use some of these items. Absolutely. So thank you so much, Emily. I appreciate it, sweetheart, so much. And y'all, please go check her out. Get her numbers up. She's well deserving of those numbers rising. So, in the meantime, thank you. And as always, I wish y'all the best.